Have you ever heard of Git? If not, it's okay, because today in the OverTheWire Bandit 27 we will see what is it all about. Let's access the documents directory. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit 27 password. Then let's quit. Clear the screen. Today we are not going to access a remote machine, but we're going to clone a Git repository. And the main difference is that we have to work on our local machine. So let's create a temporary folder to work within. So let's access a subshell that will output the path to the temporary folder, and let's enter. Now we're inside a temporary folder. So let's clone the Git repository. Let's use git clone /bandit27-git at bandit.labs.overthewire.org :/home/bandit27-git/repo. And what we're going to do is using the git command to clone a repository that is located at this host at port 2220, and it's located in the home directory bandit27-git under the folder repo. Let's enter, and it will ask a password. Just paste the bandit27 password and enter. It seems like we have received some object. Now that we have the screen clear, let's use ls, and in here we can find our repo folder. Let's try to access it, and let's use ls again, and here is a readme file. Let's use cat readme file and enter, and here it says that the password to the next level is, and copy the password. Now let's clear the screen and let's access the documents directory, and let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and add the new user, bandit28. Paste the password and save and quit. Remember that in the description you can find a full documentation of the OverTheWire Bandit series. If the video was interesting, consider a like, comment or a follow. See ya!